Hello everyone, Arrash Jaffarzadeh here to review our lesson in class today. Today we discussed Microsoft Excel. We had two parts to our lesson. One part was about Excel's auto formatting feature, and the second part was about conditionals in Excel. So we're going to cover both lessons here today. In the first part of the lesson, we learned how Excel's auto formatting feature can make your life easier by figuring out what you want. And a good example of that is if I was to type in Monday. When I type in Monday and I take this bottom right corner of the cell down, it automatically figures out what I'm looking for. In my case, the days of the week. I can resize the column by dragging the right side of the column in and out. And I can also change the formatting by, for example, if I want to make it bold. So all the other stuff works the same way. I can also do the days of the week by just abbreviating it by putting MON and dragging it down in the same way. You'll notice that there's a little box that appears down here that says autofill options. If I click here, I can just say copy cells, where it won't do any formatting. It'll just be Monday straight down. Or I can go down to fill days, Monday through Friday, or excuse me, through Saturday, or fill weekdays only. So it's Monday through Friday. Let's make that bold. I can also do things like chapter 1. Again, if I drag this down, it knows that I am adding numbers incrementally. Again, I can drag out the column to make it wider. I can also do simple numbers, just 1. Now when I drag this down, it says 1 all the way down. What I can do is click the autofill options, click fill series, and it figured it out for me once again. So you can see how auto formatting can be very useful. There's one other thing I wanted to show you, and that is time. I can put in here 12 p.m. Now that says 12 p.m. When I drag it down, it stays 12 p.m. What I'm going to do is I'm going to specify to Excel that this column is a set of times. So I can right click the column, go down to Format Cells. Here, under Category, I'm going to select Time. And I can choose the format that works best for me. I like the first format, the hour, the minutes, the seconds, and PM or AM. I'll click OK. And now I can drag this down. And it looks like it had some problems. Let's see what I did wrong here. 12. Ah, that's right. I forgot the space after PM. There it goes. So make sure you have a space after PM or it won't recognize the format that you're looking for. So now if I drag it down, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all the way down to 7 a.m. So those are the basics for using Excel's auto formatting feature. If you have any questions, let me know. And take a look for the second video in this series that will talk about how to use conditionals in Excel.